This is a 3-tier Sunlite Garden. The frame is made of heavy-duty powder-coated aluminum, making the whole system really sturdy. It has casters so it can move around easily, which is especially handy if you have it on tile or any smooth surface. I find that super helpful because you can move it to clean underneath and behind it without having to move all your plants off first. It has 2 4-foot full-spectrum T5 grow lights per shelf that are easy to adjust up and down with these pull chains. All you do is squeeze the chain grip and lower and raise to your desired height. Each shelf has a large watertight tray which helps contain spills or watering mishaps, which I love. I love this so much because sometimes I'm trying to rush through watering so fast that I spill and I make a huge mess. The whole system measures in at 51 inches long, 15 inches wide, and 68.5 inches tall. And each shelf is 15 square feet, so you can really fit a lot of plants in there. In fact, if seed starting is your thing, it will fit 12 of these seed starter kits, which adds up to 288 seedlings. That is so much. I think the system would work for pretty much any kind of houseplant you're growing inside. Seeds, cactus, succulents, African violets, orchids, and pretty much all the other houseplants out there. And I'll probably be using it for all the above. I get a lot of questions about just using standard fluorescent shop lights in place of grow lights, but this kind of bulb is brighter. It only uses 104 watts per fixture, and each bulb lasts for up to 10,000 hours. They also use 45% less energy than traditional fluorescent bulbs. Plants do better and you use less energy. It's kind of a win-win in my mind. The ballasts that hold these lights are electronic, which eliminates that annoying buzzing sound, and I don't know about you, but I cannot stand the buzz of traditional fluorescent lights. I would recommend that you read the instructions completely at least one time before you begin assembly. And while I put it together myself, it would have been a lot easier with another person, but it can be done with just one person. This is definitely the most intense system, but in my opinion, because of the materials used, it should last a really long time and it looks nice. And I would really love to gradually replace all of my current plant shelving with this system.